Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been so long and I missed you guys so much. But if you watched my previous video, then you'll know that my exams were going on. So that is why I could not make any video. But yeah, I'm back and I'm so excited to be recording. I feel so good. I cannot even put it in words. But I forgot to introduce myself to you guys. So if you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Adity. And today I will be reviewing the Pond's White Beauty BB Plus Cream for you guys, and I have it in the shade medium, and I will also be comparing it with the natural one, like the original color in which it was first introduced in. So Pond's just recently introduced their new BB cream in the shade medium, and this is the second and the last shade. I really hope they introduce more and more shades, because I know that this medium shade would also not cater a lot of Indian skin tones, because India में बहुत तरह के skin tones हैं, and you know, just two shades are not at all enough to cater every skin tone. So yeah, I really hope they will introduce more and more shade. The original shade was so much light for a lot of Indian skin tone, including me, and I love BB cream, like I love this formulation. In the start it used to match me, then I started getting tanned like this, like I used to get tanned very easily. So now my color has become permanently a little bit tanned, and I actually like this skin tone, so I do not try to bleach my skin or do anything else. I of course try the DIY tanning remedies on my skin every now and then, so you know, I do not get any more tanned, because I usually get tanned on my forehead and on my nose, which looks very weird. So yeah, that was a little story. I used to apply this every day to my college, and then I realized after some time, after when I got tanned, that it made me look very white. So I skipped using BB cream, CC cream, anything on my face for the longest time now. Like I have not applied BB cream for like 6-7 months. I mean, I used to go to college bare face, but I would not apply BB cream because that was just too light for me and made me look so white. Like no, I was not living for that look anytime. So recently they launched their medium shade and I grabbed it as soon as possible. It was just because I was having my exams, so I was not able to, you know, upload a video about it. But I have been trying this for a week now and it is so good. Like the color is a good match for my skin tone. This is how it looks. The price of this one is rupees 145 for 18 gram. And for the original one, I have the smaller size, which is 9 gram of product, and it is for rupees 78. Both of them have a SPF of PA++, which is really amazing. It will give you extra sun protection. I hope you can see the difference. The difference is not very major, but BB creams are supposed to adapt to your skin color if it is not too light. But the original one would suit people who have NC30 to NC35 skin tone. And if you are Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless from 128 to 220, like somewhere in between, then the original shade is the one for you. But if you are NC35 and above till NC40, or if you are Maybelline Fit Me 230 to 330, then the medium one is to go for. Yeah, so I will also apply the medium one on my face so that you can see the coverage and everything of the new one. Or should I apply half and half so that you can see the comparison? I think I will apply half and half. So yeah, coming back, I have used this original BB cream so much that I am well aware of the formula, and I feel that the newer BB cream has a little different formula. Like it is a bit oily for my skin type, like I am oily skin type, and this one, if I do not set it, then it will start looking greasy after like 2 hours. But I remember using the original one and it did not used to get oily even after 4 hours, and that too without setting. And also what I felt was that the coverage of the original shade was a little bit more than the medium one. Like this one had sheer to medium coverage, while this one has sheer coverage. I feel a little bit contradicted here because I do not know if it's just on my head or it's actually that. But yeah, now let's get started with the demo and comparison. So I'm going to use my fingertips to blend in the BB cream because that is what we all do in our daily lives. So you know, I do not want to complicate this video. So I have a little bit more, you know, pimple marks here, so I will be trying out the medium one on this side so that you can see how much coverage it has. But I still have a little bit of you know, redness here and a little bit of pimple marks, not so much as compared to this side, but yeah, I still have them, like you see here. So I'm going to try the natural one, like the original coverage one on this side. This is the original shade. You see the difference. Like, this is definitely not my skin tone. Like, I do not know how much the camera is capturing, but in real life it is looking way too white to me in the mirror. Yeah, that was the original shade. You see the coverage, it was pretty good. You do not see much redness here and here now. You see the coverage, plus it is blending on so smoothly. Like, it took a little bit of effort to blend this one, but the coverage of this one is very light as compared to the previous one. So you see on this side it is looking a little bit more glowy, plus the coverage is a little less. As you can see, my pimples still peeking through here, while on this side the coverage is a little matter and you do not see any redness peeking through whatsoever. It was very easy to blend the BB cream on this side. It blended in like a dream, but on this side I did not have to work really hard, but in comparison to this, it took a little bit more time. I do not know how much difference the camera is capturing, but in real life I see a huge difference. I definitely like the finish of this one much better, but you know, the shade of this is perfect to the dot match for my skin tone. So you know, on an everyday basis I think I can definitely put on some compact and seal it so that it do not budge and look oily in just some time. But yeah, that was the shade comparison, and both of them say that it is for an instant natural glow and a perfect look every day. Of course, it is really good for everyday use when you just want to make your skin look even toned and have a little bit of coverage and glow. But I really wish that they launch many other shades of BB cream, like dark, deep, cocoa and ivory, everything. Like, they should cover every freaking skin tone, because dude, it's 2019 now and you are living in 21st century. Please be acceptable for the skin tone and launch something which is suitable for every individual and not just one particular skin tone. And one thing I will say, that because it is a little bit more blendable and a little bit more you know, oily, so it will suit dry skin tones very beautifully, like settling into your dry patches and everything. It will get you covered. It will not only provide coverage to your skin, but it will also moisturize your skin. So yeah, for dry skin girls, you can definitely go for this, and if you're oily like me, then make sure you're setting it with compact powder and you're just good to go. And also, I will leave the purchase link of both of these shades in my description box, so you can check it out. And yeah, so that would be a wrap for my today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not, and also do let me know how you're liking the lighting, and I will see you super soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.